Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my beach waves. Usually it takes me about 20 to 25 minutes depending on how my hair is, and this hairstyle will last me at least 1 to 3 days depending on what type of hair I use, whether it's second day hair or first day hair. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start off by using a heat protector. Now what I'm going to be using is Nutrient Rich Coconut Oil Dry Oil Mist. And I got this from TJ Maxx. I don't like to spray it directly on my hair because it's like kind of oily. I do have second day hair today. My hair doesn't get very oily, so I work with that, and that's how my waves last longer. So first I'm going to start off by parting my hair, and then I'm going to be working with this bottom part right here. The wand that I'm using is one by Remington. I got this one from, I believe, Ulta. And so what I will take is about an inch worth of strand, and I will wrap it. And leave it on there for a few seconds. Now normally I don't like to mess with it until they're completely cooled off, so I just continue on. And these bottom strands, I tend to leave them a little bit longer because the rest of my hair weighs it down and they tend to fall. What I like to do is alternate directions, so I'll do one direction inwards and one direction outwards throughout my hair, and that creates that beach wave look. This first layer is done, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Paul Mitchell Extra Body Finishing Spray. And I will just spritz it on a little bit. Not too much, and at a distance. And then, since this is a second day hair, my hair isn't very oily, but it does weigh down after a few days. Well, I don't not wash my hair for like a few days. I normally wash my hair every other day, but usually by the second day my hair is kind of flat because it's really heavy. And so I'm gonna go in with the Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo and just kind of spritz that on the top part right here, and then just kind of scrunch it up a little bit. When you're using dry shampoo, you want to make sure you don't spray on very close because it will leave like white residue. And I'll just repeat this process throughout my whole hair. My hair is pretty straight for the most part. There are some parts on the lower bottom part of my hair that are somewhat wavy, but not as wavy as they are right now. And it just looks really straight because after I shower, I usually blow dry it. If you really want a killer workout, wanding your hair is a good shoulder workout. And notice how I leave about half an inch off from the wand and half an inch, no, maybe that's like an inch and a half away from my scalp. That helps create the more beach waves look because the wave is right here in the center. My hair is pretty short right now, so it's kind of easy. And I'm going through this rather quickly as compared to when I had my longer hair. So this is already the top of my hair, and I don't like to spray a lot of dry shampoo because, like I said, dry shampoo does tend to leave a white residue. So I try to do it as far as possible. Hey, brother. Huh?
Have you put out a new video yet?
Any new videos?
Yeah.
No. Why?
Oh, you're still editing?
Yeah, I'm still editing the last one I filmed, and I'm currently filming one right now as we speak.
Oh, cool.
You can kind of just spray it everywhere. Now brush it out a little bit.
Did I walk into a video?
Yes.
Sorry.
Then to finish off, I'll put a little bit on my hand, fingertips. Get out of here. And there you have it. That's how I achieve my beach waves. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.